Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now, the next new feature that has been introduced in the block patterns is its registration using the patterns folder. Now, what this feature actually does is it allows you to basically register patterns for your theme using a PHP file that you will store or that you can store in the patterns directory. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. The code snippet that you will need, which is this one, is right here in this article. It is in the description box below. Okay, I will be creating a separate video on this topic where I will be talking about this code snippet and everything. So if you cannot replicate this while following this tutorial, make sure to subscribe, because I am about to write an article on it and I will create a subsequent video for it as well. Okay, so for this, what you will have to do is, first of all, you can see right over here, I have created this, I have just added this block. Basically, I've done nothing. I have just added an h1 right over here. You can see this is an h1. The text color is black and background is blue, because so that we can recognize it right over here. This pattern will show up right over here somewhere. So for the visibility thing, for so that it can be easily visible, that is why I have added a background color to it. Now in the next step, what you will have to do is you will have to create a notepad file. So the first step is just go in here, create this notepad file just like this. Go to this article which is on WordPress 6.0 that I've written. It's in the description box below. Again, copy this code snippet right over here. This is basically the patterns header, and it contains the meta information that you can see right over here. It will tell WordPress about what exactly is this pattern about. Okay, so you will have to place it right over here. In the next step, you need to press enter keys like this. Go back, edit this block that we have created that we want to use as pattern as HTML. Done. Okay, this is the code of basically this pattern. You can see right over here. If I edit it visually, this is the pattern and this is its HTML. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to copy this, go back, paste it right below this. Okay, so this is the complete file that we need, and now we will have to save it in the patterns folder in the theme directory. Okay, let me show you. So let's just click save as right over here. So you can see there is no patterns folder right over here. So I'll create a new patterns folder. Open, and I will name it as my new pattern.php. Now this is a PHP file, so you will have to save it with the extension .php. Click save right over here, and we'll minimize this file right now because I will show you why. I'll give you the reason why I have not closed this file. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this heading because we are going to add it using this pattern right over here. Save it as draft, refresh this, click right over here, patterns is right over here. You can see right over here. Okay, so this is the pattern that we have registered. It is right over here. Okay, so this is basically how you will register patterns using the patterns folder uh, in WordPress 6.0. This is the ability that WordPress 6.0 is giving you. So now what you can do is basically you can create multiple patterns and for your theme, and if you want to move these patterns from use these patterns on other themes as well, or on your other sites as well, you can do that easily. Okay, so this is another change that you will see, or this is another new feature that has been introduced for block patterns in WordPress 6.0. Now, I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.